Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing scrolling art boxes. Cut off 1.5 inches off both straws. You can place the straws through the hole in the jewelry box and then cut the straws. Wrap 3 to 4 pieces of masking tape around one end of the straw. The more tape you use, the easier it'll make it to twist the straw later. Then repeat the step with your other straw. Place both straws through the holes in your jewelry box and tape the other end using 3 to 4 strips of masking tape. Decorate the long strip of white construction paper. Once you've finished, turn the paper around and place a strip of double-sided tape along the edge, and carefully press it down onto the straw. Lightly hold the paper and gently twist the straw. Add double-sided tape to the other end of the paper and press down onto the second straw. Now you can twist the straws to move the paper back to the beginning